To copy and paste an individual module, well, to copy a module, move it into another course, the way I do it is I go to the module I want. So let's say I want this module on Mitchell On Demand. I'm going to click on the little kebabs on the side, and it's going to open up some options. And I'll go over a brief description of what the options are as soon as Canvas is done loading. Alright, finally, there we go. Okay, you've probably been here before. Edit, move contents, you can rearrange it. Move the module. Delete the module. Duplicate. Duplicate's actually a pretty cool tool because if you like the layout of a module, like just a template, you can just keep duplicating it and then go back in and fill in the specifics later. So here's the one we want. Share to Commons. You can share it with only yourself or everyone in the world. It is going to get a little quirky and it wants us to add a description. So we'll call that Mitchell. It wants an image for some reason. I just picked the first one that pops up. And then we're going to go down here to share, which is kind of halfway hidden. And it's going to share it under my name to me. So then you can go to import download right here. It's going to take a little bit for this thing to upload. If you just go to Commons, type in your name, it'll put up a list of everything that you've shared. Now we don't see that class yet because it's still processing. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and wait for it to finish. Alright, it took a little bit for it to upload. But if you go to search Commons, type in your name, it'll come up with everything that you've uploaded. And there's the one we were looking for. I click on it, click on Import Download, and I want to put it in LabScope's Diagnostic Sandbox. So import to course, and it's doing its magic right now. There's a little preview of it, what it looks like, and we should be downloading. So then I'll go back to my other course, the LabScope course. We'll see if it's come through yet. Yep, there it is. Now I have it twice, but there it is.